Global warming. Global warming refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average surface temperature due to the buildup of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Human activities, such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation, have significantly increased the concentrations of carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, and other greenhouse gases. These gases trap heat from the sun, leading to the greenhouse effect and causing the Earth's temperature to rise. Global warming has far-reaching consequences, including rising sea levels, extreme weather events, habitat loss and disruptions to ecosystems and human societies. Urgent action is needed to mitigate and adapt to the impacts of global warming. Greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are gases that contribute to the greenhouse effect, leading to the warming of the Earth's atmosphere. The most common greenhouse gases include 1. Carbon dioxide, CO2, 2. Methane, CH4, 3. Nitrous oxide, N2O, 4. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, 5. Water vapor and 6. Ozone, O3. These gases are known as the greenhouse gases. Percentage of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These greenhouse gases absorb and emit infrared radiation, trapping heat in the atmosphere and leading to the greenhouse effect and global warming. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, CO2, is a significant greenhouse gas that contributes to the greenhouse effect and global warming. It is released into the atmosphere through natural processes such as respiration and volcanic activity, but human activities have greatly increased its concentration. The burning of fossil fuels, deforestation and industrial processes release large amounts of CO2, leading to an imbalance in the natural carbon cycle. The increased levels of CO2 in the atmosphere trap more heat, causing the Earth's temperature to rise. Addressing CO2 emissions is crucial for mitigating climate change and reducing its impacts on the environment and human societies. Water vapors. Water vapor, H2O, is an important greenhouse gas in Earth's atmosphere. It is the most abundant greenhouse gas and plays a significant role in the natural greenhouse effect. Because of the rise in the global temperature, transpiration and evaporation increases the water vapor concentration in the atmosphere. Methane, CH4, is a powerful greenhouse gas that traps heat in the atmosphere about 5 times better than carbon dioxide, CO4. Methane, CH4, is produced due to the bacterial decomposition of vegetable matter in marshy places. Methane is also a major component of natural gas. Incomplete combustion of fossil fuels also produces methane and other hydrocarbons. It is also produced in variety of ways. Chemical processes like gas drilling, coal mining, biomass burning produce methane. Nitrous oxide, N2O, is produced by burning of forests, grasslands and other biomass. Use of nitrogenous fertilizers and automobile exhausts also release oxides of nitrogen. It is 230 times more efficient in global warming than carbon dioxide. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. Chlorofluorocarbons escape into the atmosphere up to 0.0005 parts per million during their use in air conditioners, refrigerators, aerosol spray, solvents, and plastic foam manufacturing. CFCs are 38 million times stronger than CO2. Ozone, O3. Ozone is primarily found in the stratosphere, about 30 miles above the Earth's surface, where it forms the ozone layer. This layer protects us from harmful ultraviolet, UV, radiation from the sun. However, around 12 miles above the troposphere, ozone acts differently. Here, it behaves as a greenhouse gas, trapping heat and contributing to warming in the lower atmosphere. Mechanism of greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that helps regulate Earth's temperature. When sunlight reaches the Earth's surface, Some of it is absorbed and re-emitted as heat. Greenhouse gases, including carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, and water vapor, trap a portion of this heat in the atmosphere, preventing it from escaping into space. This trapped heat warms the Earth, creating a stable climate suitable for life. However, human activities have increased the concentration of these gases, intensifying the greenhouse effect and leading to global warming and climate change. Advantages of greenhouse effect: habitability. The natural greenhouse effect maintains a suitable temperature range on Earth, making it habitable for various forms of life. Agricultural productivity. Greenhouses use the principles of the greenhouse effect to create controlled environments for plant growth, extending growing seasons and increasing crop yields. Water cycle stability. By regulating temperature, greenhouse gases help maintain the water cycle, ensuring the availability of fresh water for ecosystems and human use. Effects of global warming. Rise in sea level. One of the major consequences of global warming is the melting of glaciers and polar ice caps, leading to a rise in sea levels. Rising sea levels may cause floods in coastal and low-lying areas in the Maldives, India, Sri Lanka, the Netherlands, etc. Effect on human health. Insects and pests will find it easier to thrive in warm climatic conditions. This could lead to the rise in pathogenic diseases. Effect on agriculture. Global warming is also responsible for decrease in the field of crops such as rice and wheat. Extreme weather events. Global warming intensifies extreme weather events such as hurricanes, droughts, floods and wildfires, causing significant damage to ecosystems, infrastructure and human lives. Disrupted ecosystems. Climate change disrupts ecosystems, leading to species loss, habitat degradation, shifts in migration patterns and disruptions in ecological relationships. Water scarcity. Changes in precipitation patterns and increased evaporation due to higher temperatures can lead to water scarcity, affecting agriculture, freshwater availability and ecosystems dependent on water resources. Socioeconomic impacts. Global warming poses economic risks, including reduced agricultural productivity, increased healthcare costs, displacement of communities due to sea level rise and challenges to infrastructure resilience. Vulnerable populations are particularly at risk. Ways to reduce global warming. Transition to renewable energy, reducing the use of non-renewable energy sources and increasing the use of renewable sources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power will decrease the emissions of greenhouse gases. Energy efficiency. Enhance energy efficiency in buildings, transportation and industries through improved technologies, insulation and efficient appliances, reducing energy consumption and associated emissions. Forest conservation. Protect and restore forests, as they act as carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and mitigating global warming. Sustainable practices. Encourage sustainable agriculture, waste management and responsible consumption to minimize greenhouse gas emissions, conserve resources and reduce environmental impact.